Credit sales to Mohan rupees 7,000 were recorded in purchase book. Credit sales to Mohan. It is actually sales. But what is the mistake? It is written in the purchase book. Okay? Where is my... So, credit sales to Mohan. What is the correct entry here? Let us all do it together. I am not calling out names. What is the correct entry? Credit sales to Mohan. So, Mohan account debit to sales. This is how it should be. Now, it was recorded in the purchase book. So, what it became? It is written as purchase account debit to Mohan. This is how it became. Now, what should be done? Purchase account debit. It should be cancelled. That is wrong. So, you should cancel it. Here is the mistake. You should cancel it. So, to cancel it, that means debit should be given credit. So, it becomes to purchase. Okay? Now, what is the correct entry? This one is the correct entry. So, write it. Mohan account debtor to sales. Okay. Now, the amount part, that should be, you should be careful with that. Purchase you have 7,000. Sales you have 7,000. So, Mohan account should be debited with 14,000. And I don't know whether you remember, I have written it as combined entry. You can just reverse this entry. Purchase account debtor to Mohan can be reversed. So, it becomes Mohan account debit to purchase. Now, write the correct entry. Again, Mohan account debit to sales. Okay? Instead of writing Mohan account 2 times, I have written it as a single account 14,000. That is the change you find. Is it clear? Get it cleared. Get the doubts cleared. Okay now with this? Okay, good. So, try the next one. That full set, question number 5 is the same pattern. Just try it alone. Only when you do it alone, you will get it. You will think. And let it go wrong, no problem. See the next one. It is just the ulta of this. Credit purchase from Rohan were recorded in sales book. Aparna completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So, you don't wait for me. You can proceed with the next questions. Okay? Try it. and do these three columns. What is the correct entry, what is the wrong entry, what is the rectification entry. Then you will understand better and it will be easy for you also. Don't straight away go to the rectification entry. So credit purchase from Rohan. Correct entry is purchase account debit to Rohan. Rohan account. Okay. Now, what is the mistake? Wrong entry were recorded in the sales book. So it became Rohan account debit to sales. This is a mistake. Now, what should be done? This should be cancelled. This particular entry should be cancelled and this should be added. So, cancel it first. Sales account debit to Rohan. Cancellation is done. What is the amount? 900. 900. 900. Now, write the correct entry. So, purchase account debit 900 to Rohan. Again 900. So instead of writing it two times, you can make it as a single entry to Rohan. Okay, to Rohan 1800. Is anyone having doubt regarding this section? Is there anyone? If all are clear about this, you can complete the C, D, E from home and let us go to question number 6. Clear? Completed? Rahul, Pavitra, your videos are off. I can't see you. All completed. Finish it off. 5th question. Those completed, go to question number 6. Anish, you completed 5th one? Okay, good. 6th one. Who is doing number 5? Is there anyone doing question number 5? Pranav, are you doing it? No. Rahul?
No, no.
Okay. Pavitra, are you doing this? Question number 5. No. I hope so. Then why should I do this question number 5? Go to question number 6, everyone. Sales book overcast by rupees 700. Sales book. Okay. So sales. What kind of transactions are written in sales book? Rahul. Sales book. What kind of transactions are written? Rahul, are you there?
Sold good.
Hmm?
Sold good.
Sales book. Yeah, what kind of sales? Goods sold for cash? No. Credit sales. We write credit sales in the sales book. Correct? So, sales book overcost by rupees 700. What is the correct entry then? It is definitely, let us take it X account debtor to sales. This is how it should come. Okay, the entry. And the mistake is only in the sales book. Okay, and it is said that sales book is overcost by rupees 700. Sales book is more by 700. So that excess amount should be cancelled. Clear? Only the mistake is only in the sales book. Sales book is overcast by 700 means sales in the sales book 700 rupees is more. So that excess 700 rupees should be cancelled. So whatever is there in the debit, there is no issue with that. Sales is given credit, no? Always sales is credit. So the mistake is only regarding the credit account, that is sales account, which is 700. So you don't have to think about debit. So to cancel the 700 rupees, what should be done? Cancellation, you just have to reverse it. Sales account which is given credit, to cancel it, you debit it. So sales account debit, 700 is excess. So that is cancelled. Now, as I mentioned already, there is no mistake regarding debit. The mistake is only in the sales book. So we don't have anything to write in the credit. So in such situation, what do? We don't have anything to write as credit. So, in such situation, we will open a temporary account that is called suspense account. To suspense account 700. This is how it should be done. Okay? Yes, overcast. So, the excess amounts will be cancelled. To cancel it, just reverse the entry. Reverse the entry for it. Sales is given credit always. So to cancel an amount in sales account, you debit it, and as there is nothing to give credit, we will open suspense account. Clear? Clear, no? Okay, so completed. Question number 6. Everything, all the 4 are overcast.